what is the IUPAC name of the following? And so the IUPAC name is the systematic name. And so what we need to identify in this molecule is what is our parent chain. And so when you have a functional group like the alcohol, so now our parent chain has to contain the functional group. And that functional group is the alcohol. And not only that, once we find that longest carbon chain that contains the alcohol, we also want to give the functional group, the alcohol, the lowest number. So we want to locate this longest carbon chain that contains the alcohol. So I see this branch point here. If I go in this direction, it's 2 carbon atoms. In this direction, it's much longer. And I think I can see very easily if I start counting from here that I'm going to hit the lower number on the alcohol. So we're going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our parent chain is an 8 carbon atom chain. So it will be oct. Ane, because it's an alkane, and then we're going to end it with al to indicate the alcohol. And that alcohol is that carbon number 3. So the parent chain is 3 oct, ane for the single bonds, al for the alcohol. And you could also put the 3 in between the N and the O, and that is also accepted by IUPAC. So you could also put octan 3 all. And sometimes this is preferable when we get to having more than one functional group in a parent chain to be really nice and clear about where it's located. But either one of those is acceptable. And so now I'm going to see, do we have anything else off of this chain? And we see this group here. And this is one of our common branch substituents. And we call this an iso because these two methyl groups on the same carbon atom, the total number of carbons in that group is 3. So this is an isopropyl group. So we have a 4 isopropyl. So, and that's our only substituents. That means our name of this molecule is 4 isopropyl 3-octanol. So A.